Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Today, you requested it and we shall deliver. It is quarantine vlog numero uno. Boop. I'm going to start the day. I switched over to my vlogging camera, which I have not used in forever. I am going to wash his face and then probably go for a run with Alpha and come back and then finish some stuff that I've been working on. I did this little like illustration last night, it turned out really, really well. And it was my first time like using ink and like watercolors. So I'll show you guys that and see what you think. Working on that, I'm also working on my first collection. So if you guys didn't know, one of the capstone classes of my major in fashion design over at FIDM, it's called collection development. So essentially you do 3 to 6 piece looks. I elected to do dresses. My collection was not able to be finished because of the quarantine. So I was able to just kind of go back to the drawing board and like cut apart some of the things I didn't like about my first couple of designs, only because I'm a perfectionist. So now I have the time to sit down and sew and just like not be rushing and being like, oh my gosh, this is due in a week, or this is due in 2 days, or this is due tomorrow. Oh yeah, also I've been working on like different updos. Here's this girl's hair. Just like playing around, like that side's really cute. Anyways, yeah, so just playing with hair stuff. And I've been doing like some TikTok videos. So yeah, trying to organize my wardrobe. I was cleaning out my closet and I ended up just doing a TikTok. So I'll just it'll be over here. I'll put it over here and you can tell me what you guys think.
Vintage check. Show me your first vintage outfit, your favorite vintage outfit, your newest vintage outfit, the one that's the most colorful, the one that's the least colorful, your most expensive vintage outfit, your least expensive vintage outfit, and then the outfit you wear most.
I kind of want to incorporate more of my vintage aesthetic onto my Instagram because I feel like it's there, but it's not like really there. And I've spent like so many years like only wearing vintage clothes, like mostly from the 50s to the 70s with like a strong emphasis on 60s clothing. So I kind of want to show that because I feel like I wear, that's like the majority of my wardrobe now, like day to day, like even when I go to work, like I'm wearing like vintage clothes. So I want to show that a little bit more. Those are some in the video. Those are some of my favorite outfits. So let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment, please. And you requested this video, so this is my quarantine vlog life. I'm sorry if it's not like super exciting. I'm also waiting for my Animal Crossing to come in the mail. I was going to give out my Switch code, but I think I might not. I don't know. Let me know what your thoughts. Should I give out my Switch code? Should we be friends? And if so, who has Animal Crossing and how fun is it? Because I've yet to play it. But yeah, come along with me. It's a quarantine day, mostly with just me and Alpha, just chilling and sewing and painting and having a good time, making videos and writing blog posts. Also, if you have not seen my latest blog post, you have a second to check it out. Definitely do. But yeah, I'm gonna wash my face and let go.
Okay, you know what it is. Mr. Diet starts tomorrow one time.
Life moves pretty fast. Don't stop and look around once in a while. You could miss it.
So I'm just painting right now with watercolors. I'm finishing my illustration that I was telling you about earlier. That goes with my design that I'm making, a custom design for a special someone. I don't want to give too many details or too much information because I still want it to be a surprise when I like post the photos and just, you know, send off this beautiful dress to her. My very dear friend Mia sent me these beautiful flat design illustrations that she made. And I posted one on Instagram, so I will put it here so you guys can take a look at it if you would like. She sent me PDF formats. I think I want to get them printed out and put them in little like frames, just like 3x5 or 4x5, so they can like all three go together and it be like pop arty and cute. But I was really impressed with how she was able to capture my face and make it really feel like it's me. I've had caricatures done in the past and I've loved all of them. Like I love all my caricatures, but like just like with like very minimal design emphasis, she was able to recreate like the emotion that I make as a person in her flat design. So honestly, I'm biased. I'm very impressed and always enthused for her work. So if you get a chance, check her out on Instagram. It's Mia Suresh. I think it's 17 and at Mia Design Stuff too. You guys can follow her and watch her design journey. Yeah, she's a really good friend of mine and I always really love her artistic efforts. So I'm just gonna go back at it, finish this watercolor, maybe write a little bit. I have a little bit of a to-do list. I was very surprised that you guys requested a quarantine vlog because honestly, like, I sleep in, I get up, I do some chores, I take Alpha out, go for a run, come back, sometimes do stretching, then I'm like arts and crafting or making videos or just like tinkering away at little projects all day. Then I make dinner and then I start doing crafts and watching TV. So lately I've been watching Community, Little Fires Everywhere, that show is crazy, and The Mary Tyler Moore Show. I've been watching some vintage movies and reading a little bit on fashion and vintage things. I have this really cute book. Let me pull it out here, this book. It was published in 1962 and I got it as like a gift from a friend. She found it in this donation bin at school in the library. And what's really funny is I've been going through it for inspiration, but it actually has a lot of good like dietary advice and exercises for body perfection. I'll just show you some of them. They've been really helpful. So sometimes I do those. Inspiration from that book, doing stretches, diet stuff. It's been really helpful. I might talk about that a little bit more if you guys are into it. There's this channel that I watch and she does a lot of vintage stuff. Like she'll use like all vintage tools and on her hair or makeup, or if you guys are interested in seeing something like that on this channel, let me know. This book basically is like a woman's guide to like being a person of substance, and it tells you how to do your makeup, how to wear your clothes, how to shop, how to eat, just day-to-day things, basically, of how to be a lady.